Okay, so here's what I want to do with the quizzes. It seems like D2L has been stable since the first day. I'm going to keep posting videos and my notes on my website, but in D2L, I am going to try using it for the quizzes. So I posted the first quiz for Monday. You go into the D2L, then over here on events, there is now a quiz coming up. And so this is the quiz for Monday. It's a one question, basically the same as the homework question that I'm going to put on my notes with the numbers tweaked a little bit. Okay, so what I would like you to do is try the homework question. If you get the answer that I have on the notes with the homework question, then probably you know how the question works. Go into D2L and attempt the quiz. So as soon as I finish making the quiz for a day, I'm going to let it go live right away in case some of you are working ahead. You know, there's nothing wrong with working ahead. And I'm making the videos and quizzes for the next day on the previous day. So these things are going to show up kind of like one day in advance. You go into the quiz. It's just a multiple choice question. You can see the deadline for it is, so Monday 3:30, the deadline is sort of like at the end of the day on the next day. And so I sort of give you like a whole day to sort of finish going through the class and try the quiz. But I really would like you to sort of watch the video, try the stuff, try the homework, and try the quiz all on the day, which is when we would normally have that class. So for this one, it would be Monday 3:30. You go inside and it's a multiple choice. Whoops. If you attempt this quiz, it's a multiple choice question with 4 options. And there's no timer on it except for the deadline of the next day. You can attempt it 4 times, which means that eventually you're going to get the right answer by process of elimination. It's multiple choice, and the choices don't ever change. But the points you get go down. So basically I set it up so that it would average your scores on all of your attempts. So if you get it right on the first attempt, you get 1 out of 1. If you get it right on your second attempt, that means you got a 0 and a 1, so you're going to get half a point. On your third attempt, it would be a third of a point, and if it takes you until the last attempt, then by process of elimination, you figured it out and you get a quarter point for answering it on the 4th attempt. Okay, so if you get it wrong, you can redo the quiz and get partial credit for getting it right on your second guess, and still get partial credit for your third guess, and then even get partial credit on your 4th guess. Why am I giving credit if you basically only answered the question by doing process of elimination? Well, I guess that's sort of like an attendance score, if you will. At least I know you tried the quiz. You know, there's bound to be some students who don't even participate enough in the class to attempt the quiz, and anyone who's trying the quiz is going to get more credit than those people. Okay, so there's going to be one of these for every single day for the rest of the semester. You know, just a short multiple choice question that's just like the homework question for that day, and it's always going to be due the next day, like the day after the class was meant to be. Okay, so that's the plan. If you have any questions about how the quizzes are going to work, drop into my office hours Zoom or send me an email sometime. Okay, so that's it for Monday, and I will get back to you again on Wednesday.